All right, guys, you're wanting to know how to set your seats here on the 2020 Audi A6 or just most of the Audis that are here on the market. Well, this is super easy. So basically over here, we're gonna go to this spot. So we got the seat settings, memory seat settings. We got set 1 and 2. Super easy to use. So basically what you do is let's just adjust it to however you'd like it. There we go, super easy, super simple. So let's just say we want it kind of like near the middle. Have that thing moved up, and let's actually move it up a little bit too, because this is actually really interesting. It looks really cool. So let's go to set, and let's press on 2, okay? Let's go back to the position that we had at 1. So I just pressed it once, and now it's going back to the original position we had when we started the video. But now let's press 2, and it's gonna go right back into the position that we had before. So this is really, really nice because if you're wanting to have basically 2 people using this car, you know, in the day during the week, like let's just say someone works on Friday, another person works on Tuesday, okay? So that person that is able to work on Tuesday can have one memory seat setting or setting right there. And if you're gonna be working on that Friday, you'll have your setting as well, making it so that you are the most comfortable in this vehicle. Really easy. If you're newer into the luxury kind of car field, this is a really good feature to know. But if you wanna learn more about these specific features, go on down to our YouTube channel where you can learn about all the different types of cars that we have here at Lessword Car Company and the features that they have.